Hi, I'm Mark Grove.
And I'm Julie Wyman. We're both coaches at Excella, and we're presenting together at this year's Agile 2019 conference.
And we'd love to invite you to our Observational Skills workshop, What's Really Going On?
Our workshop is really fun and interactive. It's a great way to practice these skills and build up your observational toolkit.
That's right. What's nice about this workshop is it goes beyond the typical areas you may think about when you think about observations, like visual cues or body language, and instead takes a deeper look into what you may want to pay attention to when you're working with your Agile teams.
Yeah, the nice thing is that you're going to work in small groups and get real-time feedback on your observation skills. And then you actually also have the opportunity to practice delivering this feedback. We found that being able to convey observations in neutral, non-judgmental language is really key, but takes practice to get good at.
So we hope to see you there at Agile 2019 on Wednesday, August 7th, 10:45 a.m.